Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. A symbol of luxury and innovation, becoming one of the most prestigious names in the automotive world. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Cadillac, Cadillac, car, de, lac, Cadillac. The brand is known for introducing innovations like the V8 engine and automatic transmission in its vehicles. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Cadillac, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.